welcome to another video, and for today's episode, I'll be showing you what's inside my work bag. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ria. I'm a 25-year-old corporate girly working here in the Philippines. I've been wanting to do this for so long na, and I remember my 16-year-old self watching what's in my bag, what's in my purse, what's in my backpack, in my school bag back then. So until now, every time I travel, nagsisearch pa rin ako ng mga what's in my luggage, what's in my travel bag, just to have an idea what to bring and what not to bring. And now, I'm sure my 16-year-old self will be proud of me doing this in my own channel naman. So that's why I'm very happy and excited to share with you guys what's inside my work bag. So let's begin. So this bag is, I got this from MAH. It's a tote bag and I got this last year pa. I've been looking for a tote bag na kasya yung laptop. Kasi nung nalipat ako dito sa head office, I have to bring my laptop with me every other day. Kailangan ko ng bag na matibay and somehow is stylish. I got this in black and it's classic kasi black siya. So it's a TikTok made me buy this. Parang laging dumadaan sa TikTok ko yung mga videos ng MAH bags. And I found this one. This bag has 4 small pockets and 1 main compartment. Start muna tayo sa small pockets. So sa small pockets, yung nilalagay ko dito is yung mga easy access items. Yung pag kailangan ko agad silang i-pull out is mabilisan. So I have here my company ID. Then I have here a fan. Ito is gifted sa akin ng workmate ko last Christmas. Wishlist ko kasi to. It's very useful siya ngayong summer, especially sa UV. Gagamit ako pa-uwi. So, it's essential. Especially ngayon, super init. And naka sa UV gas ngayon, super init. Iba yung singaw ng hangin at kahit nasa loob ka ng UV. So, next, earphones. I got this from Shopee lang. And this reminds me of Beanie. Wala lang. Kasi heart and butterfly. Although, flowers sila. Next, alcohol. This is a must-have. Nung college pa lang ako, nagdadala na ako ng alcohol. Yun yung napapanood ko dati sa mga what's in my bag. Kaya, lagi ako nagdadala. Kahit wala pang pandemic. And then, this one. It's a balm oil by Poison. Bigay ito ng suki ni mama and then binigay sa akin ni mama kasi I have a motion sickness. Kapag bumabiyahe ako, lagi akong nahihilo or pakiramdam ko is nasusuka ako. Kasi yung travel ko is kailangan kong magpahid nito para lang ma-relax sa biyahe. Sa front and back pocket is naglalagay ako ng coins ko. Yung mga sukli sa akin, ito yung, hindi ko pa naayos yung bag ko. So, ito yung pera ko ngayon. Dito ko siya nilalagay para kapag nagmamadali. Pero inaayos ko rin naman siya. Hindi ko na siya naayos kagad. Anyway, let's dig in now to the main compartment. So as a tita, so very obsessed ako with pouches. Last Christmas, like parang yun lagi yung wishlist ko. Pouches, organizers. Yun din naman yung mga dumating sa akin. So that I'm so thankful. My laptop, which hindi ko siya mapakita ngayon kasi nasa drawer ko. Pero dinadala ko siya every time na mag-on-site ako the next day and work from home ako the next day. Kasya siya dito. Actually, kasya yung 13 to 15 inch laptop dito. So, by the way pala, sa loob pala is meron siyang 2 pockets and then 1 zipper pocket. Face mask. Next, I have here, first pouch. Ito yung para survival pouch ko. Kasi dito yung mga vitamins ko, dito gamot, cereal drink, crackers, meron din supplements, green tea, cereal drink, green tea, meron pa ako ditong sugar. Basically, ano siya, parang survival kit ko. Para kapag nagugutom ako or what, ito yung pouch na kukunin ko. By the way, this pouch is gifted sa akin ni Miss Adeline. Supervisor ko siya. Hi, Miss Adeline, if you're watching. I know you're watching, so hello. Thank you so much sa personalized pouch. It says Via. I love this so much. Thank you so much. Next is this pouch. So, what I put here is yung mga chargers, power bank, cords. This pouch naman is gifted sa akin ni Miss Mira. Supervisor ko din. It's personalized. Initial ko, since ang first name ko is Princess. Thank you so much, Miss Mira. I know you're watching this. Thank you. For power bank, may Via yan. Para wala manguha. Char. This is from Orashare. And ang cute lang yan. Ganyan lang siya kalaki. So, kasya siya sa mga small bags ko. Next is my phone charger, my Android charger, earphones. Next pouch, nalagyan siya ng camera na ginagamit ko right now. Ito lang yung mic, which hindi ko dala yung receiver, so wala akong mic right now. Meron din ako ditong tripod. Basically, yung camera na nilagay. Every time na magsi-CR ako, ito lagi yung dadalhin ko. For number 1 and number 2, and for retouch. Check. Alcohol. Poop spray. For number 2, have here a toilet seat cover. I got this in Shopee lang, parang 10 pesos na. Next is Rabita Magic Stain Remover. Pabigay sa akin ni Miss Nina na last Christmas. So, thank you so much. Is wala na naman. A Band-Aid, Orthofloss, yeah, gargle stick, and toothbrush. Ano, walang toothpaste. Body spray. Bigay lang din sa akin to ni Miss Adeline ng Christmas. So, dito. What I have here, ito yung mga pang-retouch ko. So, meron ako ditong powder, face powder. Meron akong 1, 2, 3, 4 lip products. First is a lip balm. Since I have a very dry lips, this is an essential. Get Ready With Me lip boost in the shade Sangria. Bigay naman to ni Bea, so thank you so much. Then, a matte tint. This is also from Get Ready With Me in the shade Buttercream. Then, this is also from Get Ready With Me, tinted lip glaze in the shade Not Basic. Ito naman is bigay ulit ni Bea. So, love language niya is gift giving talaga. So, thank you so much! Shout out Bea and Grades. Love you. A lip and cheek tint. But this reminds me of my college days. Next is my mirror. Next is a pocket tissue and wet wipes. Sa front part, yung girly stuff like napkin or panty liner, just in case someone needs it or I need it. So, next is my body mist in the scent of Dahlia. Bago lang to. Bagong bili ko kay Miss Adeline. So, thank you so much, Miss Adeline, for sourcing. This is my wallet. This one is from CLN. I got this 2 or 3 years ago, pandemic pa. So, di ako sure if available pa to. Medyo sira na. I'll show you guys my lucky charm. Sino ka dyan? Sa amin dalawa ni JP, siya yung makash, ako yung makard. House keys. Next is eyeglasses. Wala akong grado, pero nagsusuot ako ng eyeglasses kapag outside. Kasi ito is, nag-change siya ng color kapag natapatan ng liwanag. Madalas sumakit ulo ko kapag sikatan ng araw, sobrang liwanag, yung mga spotlight, mga ilaw ng sasakyan. Masakit na yung ulo ko. Mints. Para kapag sa biyahe. Ito lagi yung nire-remind sa akin ni mama na magdala ko lagi ng candy para kapag nasa biyahe ako. Umbrella. Wala ko, so, liit lang para kasya siya sa mga small bags. And laging reminder sa akin ni mama, even nung high school pa or elementary, huwag mong kakalimutan lagi magdala ng payo. You never know kung kailan mo kailangan ng payo, umaraw man o umulan. So, lagi ako may dala nito. yun lang. Wala na masyadong laman. Barya na lang. I guess that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give this a thumbs up and please click the subscribe button for more videos. Hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye!